Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Nutella Dinero here, and if you haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for supporting your girl. Today we're looking at this here, the Cadbury Crunchie, and I can't wait to show you guys this one up close. This is actually an interesting one, and I can't wait to unbox this. Let me show you guys a video up close, and then we're gonna unbox, and then we're gonna come back, and then I'm gonna test this and tell you guys what I think. Alright, so guys, this is the up close video. This is the Cadbury Crunchie, and this one has 4 bars in it, and each gram is approximately 44 grams, and it's made from 100% sustainably sourced cocoa. Okay, let's see the ingredients. This is what it's supposed to look like, and this has been enlarged just for the picture. So this is what the back of the bar looks like, and those are the ingredients there. You can take a screenshot of that. But allergens, you have the soy lecithin in there, and if you don't take sugar, this is not for you. Yeah. Okay, that's it. So we're gonna unbox this right now, just so I can show you guys the up close. Yeah, I'm just gonna pull this here. Wow, this is hard to open. Let me just pause that. Alright, so we have this open, and this is the moment of truth. One bar, 2 bars, 3, and 4. So there are 4 bars in total, and this is what 1 bar looks like. You can see here the Cadbury Crunchie, 44 grams, candy. It has like a sponge toffee crunch here, and basically, yeah, that is it. Okay, I'm gonna open this one, and then we're gonna test this. Let me just open it so you guys can see it up close. Pretty easy to open. You actually just tear it off like that. And that is it. Nice clean bar. Actually has like a nice soft crunch when you're breaking it, and you can see the spongy center. It looks really good. Okay, we're gonna test this now. Yeah, so this is the Cadbury Crunchie. This is a Cadbury Crunchie up close, and I'm gonna test this now. Wow. Very, very crunchy center. The milk chocolate is like around the crunchy part, and then this actually tastes like a toffee, but like a perforated kind of toffee. So it's like a light, soft-ish but chewy crunch that you get there. And then it's actually sweet. I'd say it's like maybe 8 out of 10 sweet. Yeah. But this outside, the chocolate here is actually a milk chocolate. So you can feel that, and yeah. This is one of the best ones I've tasted actually. I love this. That's it for today, guys. See you guys on my next video. Goodbye.